Okay, today is Wednesday, which means it's our last day to practice our final words before you take your test tomorrow. So we have our first word, unable. An un has a short U and it has a guardian. So that makes sense. Able has a long A because this silent E tells it to say its name. Un has a short U. Usual. These are both long, except for this one's not, which makes sense because that one has a guardian. The U by itself should be long because of phonetic skill 1 says that if there's not a consonant following the vowel, it's going to be long. But this one is a rule breaker, this usual. This one here is a rule breaker. So you'll just have to remember that is a hard word. It doesn't usually say a U. I think the reason is probably because the word use is used in usual. And so at one time it did have an E, which is why it's long, but the E isn't there anymore. And then ensure, we have a short E. And this should be you were, but it's not. This silent E just stays silent. And it actually keeps that short. So this R is acting like a guardian, even though there's the E there. So that one's a rule breaker as well. Then we have a guardian N, which keeps that O short. Then we have two guardian S's, which keeps that I short. And then we have a silent E, which makes this U long. A guardian, which keeps that O short. Two guardians, which keeps the E short. And a guardian, which keeps the A short. Guardian, which keeps the E short. Silent E, which makes this O long. Guardian, which keeps the U short. And two guardians, which keeps the E short. So that is the rules for this week's spelling words. So you want to write them down and practice them. You also might just want to study them for a little bit today and make sure that you know all the markings. You can also go to yesterday's video and watch it too before your test so that you're ready to do both tests. Good luck on your spelling test this week.